Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use sound effects provided by CapCut PC. So I'm just going to randomly select a video here and I'm just going to kind of mute it. And I'm going to then go to audio. I'm going to then go to audio. Then I'm going to select sound effects here, and they have a variety of sound clicks like click, typing on keyboard, cheering, beep, applauses, victory. So I'm just going to, for instance, use this whoosh one for this recon. So I'm just going to place it here, and I'm also going to adjust the sound a little bit, and I'm just going to play it. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of adjust it with the video a little bit. Nope. That's good enough. And then here I want to add this like ding, and I'm just going to place it. Okay, it's not. There we go. And you can kind of adjust the loudness here, the fade in, the fade out, noise reduction, etc. But that's how you can basically use CapCut sound effects. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you had more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.